Hi everyone, my name is Erik Lindstrom and I'd like to show you my project Spool. I have a personal 3D printer at home which is connected to a Raspberry Pi running Octoprint. Now this is a great setup because I can use it to wirelessly start jobs and track their progress, but I wanted something a little different. I wanted to keep track of previous jobs. So I built Spool, which does exactly that. So let's take a look at the app. So first I can log in. And here I can see all the printers that I have set up. Let's go ahead and set up another one. So this is going to be an Anycubic photon that I just got. It's stock, and I'm going to give it a unique identifier that the Raspberry Pi uses when communicating with the server. All right, so now that we have that set up, let's take a look at an existing printer. So this is my Ender 3, which is actually currently running. It says that it's 40% complete with about 9 minutes left. And then these are all of the previous jobs that are currently recorded within the app. Looking a little bit deeper, we can see a couple more things. We can see how much filament there was and see a much bigger picture of it. Now the app doesn't actually take the pictures, so it has a default, and let's say if we want to edit that and put in a real photo of what it looked like. So here we've got that, and we could swap that or any of this other data, and there we go. Another thing you can do here is you can add notes about the job. You might say something about the material, the temperature, or anything you want to say in more particular about the quality. And there we have it. Or if you want to take that back or change it, that's a possibility too. Going back and looking at our jobs, sometimes we might need to add a new job manually, so that's also a possibility. We'll just call this some simple stuff. Maybe it's a small one, and then give it another photo. So at its core, this is just the ability to keep track of jobs so that you don't have to use something like a spreadsheet in order to keep track of things over time and see your progress. And it's just handy to have a collection of all of these, especially if you have multiple printers or do a large amount of printing and you need to recall older details. All right, thanks for spending the time. Hope you like the app.